Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2019 Cadillac XT5 Luxury equipped with all-wheel drive. On the front end of the vehicle we have LED daytime running lights. Under the hood sits a 3.6 liter V6 engine that produces 310 horsepower and 271 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped are 18-inch aluminum wheels, heated power folding mirrors with blind spot alert, and keyless entry. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our park assist sensors as well as a power liftgate that gives us access to the 30 cubic feet of trunk space, which expands to up to 63.6 cubic feet with the rear seats folded down. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have a memory driver's seat, as well as a Bose audio sound system. This XT5 is also equipped with a panoramic sunroof and heated power adjustable leather seats, as well as all-weather floor mats. Also equipped are automatic headlights with automatic high beams, a heated steering wheel, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, cruise control, and Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. We also have push button start, and a touchscreen display that shows the vehicle's backup camera and SiriusXM radio. Equipped for your comfort are dual zone climate controls. And on the vehicle's key fob we have a remote start and entry buttons. And moving to the back of the vehicle, we have a 60-40 split folding rear seat